Yeah. All of them. Yeah. Large up. Super blocks. We don't for the business. Likewise, you know? Yeah, man. Reaching out to all the massive and crew, you know? Now represent, you know? But before me do them thing, I want to know something. Say them thing you have to bring forth the foundation from long time ago, you know, see? And for I and I to do that, navigate like this. Ready with me, Mercy? Hear me now? My God, we got the long time style from a long timer. Yeah, long time style from a long timer. Yeah, long time style from a long timer. We got the long time style from a long time ago. Chatter them muscle that everybody don't know. Donkey want the water but they couldn't find Joe. Joe out a do, him a take a one blow. If grandpa ever know him would a sure let him go. This is female me come to tell you when me know. From the day that me born, me never melt snow. Me mama and me papa them already. Me got the long time. When me tell you. Yeah, man. That's what this is all about, you know? So for all the foundation with about. Big up all the new generation them, you know? But that's why you know something. Singer, I'm a warrior. What kind of warrior? Musical warrior. Don't need no 69, the Bushmaster. Don't need no keeper, me don't need no tanker. Tell them me no monster, me show ain't no gangster. Second of the busy like a ant fan sugar. Second of the busy like a oil palm fire. So tell a pirate no bother bring me no water. If you try that, they end up in a disaster. They say it's a building, say the A stand for slaughter. Some say the M, that stand for murder. L for the lyrics, and me chat it in the era. Rivet in a roots, and me a flash it in a culture. Most of my life, but me live was alone. And me have not a own, and me serve one master. Wake up in the morning, me drink Sensimilia. Burn it in a slip, me burn it in a chalwa. When me give praise, me shout hallelujah. Special with me so the crew, them voucher up to downtown. And all over London, Canada, England, America, Trinidad, Tobago, St. Lucia, Guyana. Big up all the crew in Panama, Puerto Rico. Big up all the crew, me come to tell you in Aruba. Big up all the crew, them from right across Cuba. Last but not least, Africa and Japan. From top, when I'm for the business. You see me? So by request, by the DJ of Super Black Sound, I'ma tell myself, say, in a 2024, I'm gonna give this for every rhythm. I don't care for disco. Them have got challenge me. You see me? Life hard, but we have to make it sweet. Don't get it bitter, no time for this sweet. Life hard, but we have to make it sweet. Don't get it bitter, no. My God, large up in a seat. To all inspirers, subscribe, love, like, share. Super Blacks are authentic. You see me? We're now on for the business. Archibald, anywhere you're there in Jamaica, you don't know. Eminence, large up, Daddy Lily, Canada. Hear me now? Sing life hard, but we have to make it sweet. Don't get the bitter, no time for the sweet. Life hard, but we have to make it sweet. Don't get the bitter, no time for the sweet. Lyrically speaking, I'm lyrically complete. Hold microphone, that's my favorite treat. Walk and me talk and me meet and me greet. Not I get up people when me sleep on the street. Tell me how much them have no place to sleep. Tell me how much them have no food to eat. Big up on the country man who plan food to eat. Kingston man they can't plant gong a street. No jam down banana, no carrot, no beet. Fire burn the politician who put guns on the street. I shoot the innocent youth, me wonder make them do it. Me tell the ghetto youth they no feel like they no fit cheat. Me tell the Rasta girl them fi keep it thing neat. Me tell the Rasta man I get a jump them fi a beat. Boom! Why don't we unite instead of compete? You say me love on the real reggae beat. Life hard, but we have to make it sweet. Don't get the bitter, no time for the sweet. Life hard, but we have to make it sweet. Don't get the bitter, no time for the sweet. Me tell the ghetto youth them fi stop from sleep. Come on them to the see Babylon they a peep. Somewhere in a car, somewhere in a one jeep. But them shoulda know say Salem River run deep. Just wait till at the end when everything gets steep. Babylon, them a go end up in a quantum leap. Get a youth, them a go hold them, bring them in a rubbish heap. Because them treat they get a youth, them like a creep. They want them for sow, them no want them for reap. Babylon, I got dog out protection for them sheep. Coming like a time bomb, then no stop beep, beep, life hard. But we have to make it sweet. Don't get the bitter, no time for the sweet life hard. But we have to make it sweet. Don't get the bitter, no time for the sweet life hard. But we have to make it sweet. Don't get the bitter, no time for the sweet. Lyrically speaking, I'm lyrically complete. Go tell them Super Black Sound where really come. My God. Next track. Large up to all the crew. You don't know. SML, you see me? Yeah. We now ramp in the business. But we are like a style like this, because life is a thing like this where I just see where you're going, no? So you have to tell us now, no? Hear me now. Me tell you ups and down, ups and down. Sticking on me tired of the ups and down. Me tell you ups and down, ups and down. Sticking on me tired of the ups and. Me have to build a foundation, build it up on the ground. Build it so you can do all around. Up, down, downtown, safe and sound. About disrespect me put them under the ground. Under the ground, keep them safe and sound. This is SML, I chat for microphone. Chat microphone like a king panchown. No man is island, no man stand alone. But when you go to war, you have to fend for your own, or your body end up in valley of dry bone. Listen, SML, me keep it safe on. My God, when I'm for the business. Next track. Give me a next authentic track. Give me a next authentic track, my lord. No, not short time. They don't know me. All right. You see me? Me give it to you like this now. Yeah. Sing I am a warrior, what kind of warrior? Musical warrior. Don't need no 16 neither Bushmaster. Don't need no Jeep and me don't need no tanker. Tell me no monster, me show ain't no gangster. Second of the business like a hands pan sugar. Me second of the business like a oil pan fire. So tell a pirate nobody bring me no water. If they try that they end up in a disaster. They say SML, then say the S stand for slaughter. Some say the M, that stand for murder. L for the lyrics and me chatting of the era. R for the roots and a C for the culture. Born and me go down in a Kingston, Jamaica. Take a little trip and me reach in America. Which part me them they are right on the border. Tell them say me no in a no dirty order. Now follow them and join no lambada. Word to a man, me a tell you the father. Give thanks and praise, me a shout out Java. He make me fat, he no make me maga. Him give me the roots and him a give me all the order. Word to a man, me have to praise up the father. Me sing I am alone, I'm not a owner, me servant master. Wake up in the morning, me drink sense Emilia. Burn it in a slipper, me burn it in a chalwa. When me give praise, me shout hallelujah. Special because all the crew them bout ya up to downtown and all over London, Canada. Oh my God, my God. You see me? After me look at my sister, because me have something for the ladies them too, you know. And everything where we chat and a karaoke, you feel me? You see me? We now brag ghost and show off. Large up many more anyway there. You see me? So it go like this. Woman when me love no love me, yeah. Cause a daddy tell me and him can't agree. Again, woman when me love no love me, yeah. Cause a mommy tell me and I can't agree, yeah. Show me is a rasta, me a fetch me in a tea. Me a give thanks and praise to the Almighty. The Almighty Father bless you and me. Fruits and berry where you find pan the tree. Fishes where you want, now the river and the sea. The lyrics that you want, yeah, you walk up on me. You wake up in the morning very early, yeah. Take a little chat round the community. Take a shower with me teeth and drink me tea. No me pan the mic, me gonna kill them with thee. Tell them SML, me got the authority. Authority to be a mic MC. Unity, gold, the key, oh yes, so prosperity. And enough of them no one that want the cemetery. But me no matter that, me give them new style. I'm better about no, me give them mutiny. Mutiny, it's a deception, make you the dumb baby. Take you off of the earth, put in a cemetery. Come in so Gaza, make you Israeli. But tell them SML, you know me full of style. Unity, gold, the key, oh yes, so prosperity, you know it all sorted. In the land of Miyaba, we are man and mankind once live together in perfect paradise. No one did so far. Man can get greedy and backstab them brother. Under influence of the one Lucifer. And from that day them turn a warmonger. Them off a son a fight, kill off the younger. Them off a son a fight. fight, kill off the elder. And them still a make plans now for the future. I want question, I want the wicked answer. Of mankind forget to die, brother keeper. If not, this is what they want you to remember. Unity, gold, the key, oh yes, for prosperity. For everyone to live in love and harmony. One love, one blood, equal, one destiny. To live in oneness, that's the way it should be. Take it from we are super black style. Born to play roots, culture and reality. See the good, we see the bad, along with the ugly. Out all the sun, see, can do it like we. We are play rubber, the roots, culture and reality. And to we play that, no for them no like we. We play in the town, in the country. We play it on the land and even on the sea. And up in the hills and down in the valley. Along with fireman, you know, ematically. Along with Gabo, you know, ematically. Big up Merciless, you know, you're artically. So big up Rika, you know, you're artically. I mean the SML lad, you might MC me, you free truth and culture, we no free all the hike. You see me? Next track. Next track, me Jenna. You see me? Large up to all the crew. Subscribe, like, you know. Big up. My brother Hurricane, you know. Large up anywhere there, you see me? Alabama, large up. Miami, Washington, large up. You see me? Because we don't pay the business, you know. And we decide that this year, we want to spread it global. And when we say global, we are talking about global strength, global force, global power, and that's it, now oneness. We want to see more love in the world, more peace, and more unity, and more harmony, you see it. And if we don't see that, we don't know if it tells you right now. You know, see. Hallelujah, thanks and praises to the Father. Hallelujah, thanks and praises to the Father. I bet them a go to up with them see Father face. No for them a run a bad face. Run out of space. Get me find out, no for them a free base. But right about no me a go deal with them case. Daniel in the den know with the lion. They could arm me, the chosen one. Come Mr. SML, me got the style and fashion. Roots and culture, it are the foundation. Me come feel it out in the lyric Gideon. Me tell it to the woman and me tell it to the man. Me send Panamisha, the Almighty one, the Allah, Ayap, Yakob and Abraham. Me big up Moshe, come me no say him that. Daniel in the den know with the lion. They could arm me, the chosen one. Come Mr. SML, me got the style and fashion. And tell it to the woman and me tell it to the man. Cause from day one I saw we stick, I saw we turn. Me born me gonna me no leave me weapon. Use this one the woman and this one the man. The man kill me and me take a kill jump on. We kill them by the tens and by the thousand. Lyrical style, lyrical fashion. They mash up down a sting and me tell you that wrong. But right about now super blacks are most strong. I give thanks and praise to the Almighty one, the Allah, Ayaf, Yakob and Abra. My God.